Guys, good evening and welcome back once again to the crypto live session with Crypto with V. And this is the airdrop live updates on the 20th, 24th till the 30th of March. Airdrop updates, okay, a recap. And before I start, just a short disclaimer: past performance does not guarantee future result. Whatever buying, selling recommendation for today or tonight, please do your due diligence for investing into any kind of asset. Okay, so let me share my screen, and first thing first, we'll look into the technicals. So technical first, what we can see here on the Dollar Tree market cap. So at the moment, you can see the altcoins are still riding hard, still very bullish. Okay, so what we are looking here is this level to test again, and this level here at 789.49 will be the resistance where it needs to break and maintain. Okay, if you look at the weekly time frame, weekly overall is still bullish, still uptrend, right? Last week we have this reversal candle or doji, okay, or doji. So yeah, you can see here the setup, right? There's a pullback, and now it's breaking up again, and most likely to be tested 789.49. Okay, 789.49. All right, so then moving on next to daily. So daily now you can see, right? The setup price is breaking higher, higher highs, higher lows, and then now the only issue is that the price is closing below the top, which causes another concern, and this could be an M pattern here. So again, it needs to, for this daily candlestick, it needs to break above here, closing above this level. Okay, for today, most likely will continue to rally again. But we look at the reversal retest candle, there are a lot of retest candle here. So you have to be very, very careful here. 776.07, that needs to break further up, and then 789. Okay, look at H4. 4 hourly, you can see the price is about to break towards the upside. Nice bullish engulfing here. Then we will look at the setup here, right? It's about to close this previous resistance. Okay, so let's see whether or not H4 can close above, and then with the top midi as well. So far, overall, on total 3 is looking very bullish with the outs. Okay, if you look onto the dominance for BTC, so BTC now is breaking down, okay, which is a good sign for outs. So look onto the monthly time frame. So monthly, I think is looking set to close as another reversal candle or a bearish candle. Nice momentum pullback, higher highs, higher lows, highest highs again. So yeah, this is the level where it needs to break and maintain as for now. Okay, so yeah, overall the dominance is still uptrend. Okay, so should we see for next following month we have a pullback, then this level to be watched at 21.21. Okay, now next month will be a very critical month, and of course one of the most hyped months that we're waiting for. Every 4 years will be the Bitcoin halving cycle. So yeah, next month will be very, very interesting, and see how far will Bitcoin goes, and the dominance also will play a part for this scenario. So on daily time frame, you can see we have a nice W pattern, but what happened you can see is not break past the top, break down and retest at the middle band. So far at the moment still okay, but if it continues to break lower, then this critical support zone will be tested here at 53.19. Okay, H4 time frame is breaking down with the candlestick change on the direction from buy to sell. So it's actually downtrend now for dominance. Okay, so dominance is downtrend. Let's look at BTC now. Now BTC, we can see the setup. Okay, the current setup now is at 70.4K. Right, so your previous resistance here, 61.5. Then your this level here to be watched at 58.7. Then if you look onto the weekly time frame, so the weekly time frame you can see again the setup on weekly, right? We have seen that the price break towards the upside momentum, pullback, right? Higher highs, higher lows, and it's breaking higher again. So this weekly very important. Can he able to maintain above this level for this week at 69K? So it looks like it's still maintaining there, but today is only Friday. Tomorrow will be one more trading day to confirm this weekly candle. Okay, before we move on to a new week for this weekly candlestick. So very, very important, the closing of the candle. Then on daily. So daily time frame, what we can see here for this setup, currently you can see there are reversal retest candle. See a lot of rejection, a lot of wicks here. Okay, it's trying to break past towards this level, but it's still getting rejected. So again, we have another one more day trading day. So let's see this level here at 73.1 is a level next to watch and to break higher. So yeah, overall it's looking quite good, but let's see whether or not can this have a major pullback. And if this were to play a pullback, then maybe it might come back all the way down to test here at 65.2. 65.2, and then all the way down to these levels here, I will lower me at 62.5. Okay, so that is the Bitcoin chart or scenario. look at the H4 time frame. For H4 is still sideways. Okay, it's still building sideways movement. So let's see how the market is going to play out for later on. Okay, because on daily it's still consolidating. So this is a very good sign where alts will have an extra advantage if BTC will continue sideways like this. Okay, so if you look on to Ethereum, now Ethereum you can see here, setup for Ethereum, it is totally the opposite. So what we can see on monthly is looks at the close as another bullish candle. And the only thing right now it needs to break and maintain is this level here. So far it did exactly what it needed to at the moment. Around 3433 is currently at 3554. So yeah, overall you can see the next level for pullback may be around here at 2784. Okay, and then if you look on to the weekly time frame. So the weekly now is still creating a higher highs, higher lows. Very nice setup, still maintaining uptrend. Okay, no sign of break yet. Let's look at daily. Now, daily is the only issue here is that the price is breaking below the middle band, rejected. Compared to BTC, BTC's candlestick is above the middle band and is hovering and is consolidating above the middle band. But according to Ethereum chart on the daily time frame, is the opposite and is below the middle band. So which is also quite concerned. And if Ethereum cannot break above the middle band, whether it's today or tomorrow, then maybe you might see a pullback here, and which most likely to take back the price to retest on this critical support at 3157. Okay, might come back down to these levels to watch. Then for a bullish scenario, price need to maintain above 3615. Okay, above this level here, above the middle band, and then we can say that the charts for it and ops will continue to rally again. Okay, they have a chance. For now, it's looking quite gloomy on daily. Look at H4. For hourly, we can see maybe the setup not sideways. Okay, it's still below the middle band also on H4. So let's see whether or not for today and tomorrow can continue to break towards the upside, and at least to retest at 3615. Okay, 3615 is the area to watch for Ethereum. Okay, so that's it with the technical side. So technical, I believe it is quite bullish for BTC side. So the only thing to watch out is for the out, especially on Ethereum on the daily time frame. Okay, so daily time frame is your key area here, where it needs to break above the middle band, and then most likely it might continue towards the upside again, continue to rally with BTC. Okay, so without any delay, I'll just move on with the airdrop news. So what is really happening throughout this week? There are a lot of exciting news, and there are a lot of drama, fiasco, and of course there are a lot of heartbreaks as well, unexpected. Okay, scenario, unprecedented situations has been happening in the airdrop community. So let me dive in straight away. Okay, so first thing first is from Cosmos ecosystem. We have another round again for Dimension stakers. So if you are holding Dimension and you're sticking in the Kepler wallet or any of the outside of the top 10 validators, then I think you should also qualify for this airdrop called AIG or AG Source. Okay, so this is under Microsoft startup. Okay, this company. Okay, a total supply will be 1 billion of AIG tokens with 12% allocated to the initial AG Source Genesis roadblock. Okay, so yet again to remind you that this is not the first and the last airdrop for Dimension, because the first one was at NIM. Okay, NIM network. We have already gotten the airdrop. Okay, so most likely that airdrop will be distributed on the 4th of April, right? So that is the best thing, is that you don't even have to claim. Automatically, they will be airdrop to your wallet. That is the best part about having this kind of airdrop. No drama, no nonsense, but straight away, straight to the point. Okay, no quest, no points collection. Straight away, you stake. You see how much you stake. Everyone qualifies, everyone gets it. So this is the second one, right? AIG. So stay tuned. I think there are a lot more coming in from Dimension. Okay, maybe you might want to stake more. Maybe you might want to start staking Dimension into your Kepler wallet. Okay, so yeah, on and off, you can see there are a lot of news that's coming in. Okay, on Dimension. All right, so Dimension is a roll-drop app. Okay, so anything to do with roll-drop, anything is affiliated with roll-drop, definitely there'll be airdrop as well. So you're staking, earning airdrops on top of free airdrops, on top of staking and restaking again. All right, first and foremost, it was all started from Cosmos, Osmo, and then from Celestia, you stake, you get Dimension. From Dimension, you stake, now you're getting new. So you can see, one by one, restaking on top of restaking. Okay, so yeah, this is the first one. Then moving on next. Okay, now for the next one, you can see, I think this will be the first airdrop. that will be coming in for KUJIRA. So I think I've also had a share that you guys should also stake KUJIRA. I think KUJIRA is actually underestimate, or I would say people do not really look forward to stake KUJIRA rather than say and sui, right? But what happened is that finally we have the first ever airdrop for KUJIRA. So if you have staked KUJIRA under the KUJIRA validator, I think it's not under Kepler wallet, but it's under the KUJIRA network, Blue by KUJIRA. Okay, so by Blue by KUJIRA, right? You can also put it into your Kepler, but you can have to stake through Blue by KUJIRA, right? So yeah, so this will be the first airdrop. It's called YAM. Okay, announced by 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘁. Okay, so right now, what we are seeing here, at the moment, there is no details of snapshot, allocations, or timing. So what does it mean? That means it is already giving you a signal that you should be staking KUJIRA. Okay, and then do some votes. Okay, then do vote. Okay, do exercise your rights to vote. Because if you vote, then you're participating in the governance system. That is the thing here. Okay, so this is Kakao. Kakao Swap is actually a DEX. And then the KUJIRA ecosystem, not mistaken. Here, as you can see, decentralized cross-chain swap. Okay, cross-chain swap. Okay, powered by Maya protocol. Okay, so here you can see this by March 26th. More YAM airdrops coming soon. Okay, Kuji Stakers. So you can see here. MNTA Stakers, Shrimp Club NFT. Okay, so yeah, I think this will be the first one. So you just need to stay tuned. Okay, more info is coming soon. So at the moment, there is no indication yet on the snapshot. Okay, so you might want to stake KUJIRA. Okay, I think this is the one that you don't want to miss as well. All right, so yeah, this is the then moving on next. Okay, next one I think has been long overdue. And this is the validator that I've shared since last year, December, to stake your injective. Okay, one of the validators that recommended, right, that I recommended to stake. And finally, PRYZM have finally announced the official airdrop announcement. Okay, where you can able to check your address. Okay, where you can able to, you know, for those people who stake your injective Celestial Dimension under PRYZM or even your Cosmos or Atom, I think you should qualify. Okay, so yeah, congratulations once again for you guys who stake, okay, your tokens with PRYZM. Okay, so this is the one here. This is a website. So you can able to go to this website called airdrop.pryzm.zone to check your eligibility. Okay, so one by one you check, or you can just paste your PRYZM address by connecting your Kepler wallet. Okay, you just need to connect your Kepler wallet and then you are good to go. Okay, so at the moment they do not mention what is the criteria or what is the token amount that is eligible for each individual. Okay, so yeah, so this is a thing, okay, that you really want to check it out. I think most of us who stake since last year with PRYZM should be getting this airdrop. Okay, there's no way in hell that you stake with PRYZM that you not get any airdrop. I think very unlikely. Okay, so I think you should go back and check your wallet. So yeah, I think this is a very good positive sentiment coming in from PRYZM. I think it's been long overdue, but finally we have something to reward the people, the stakers. But again, there's no live claim yet. There is no proper date yet that is being mentioned. So you just want to check your eligibility at the moment. Okay, so I will paste the link for you guys to check later on. Okay, so it's about 45.291 address that's successfully reset during the early stage of testing. So currently 458,877 stake drop address and room. Okay, it's about almost half a million that is doing that. All right, so yeah, there you go. Then moving on next. Okay, so next one, okay, finally I think this one, Wormhole. So Wormhole Wednesday have finally decided to announce their live claim. Okay, so you can able to claim your Wormhole tokens on this coming Wednesday. Okay, so Wormhole Wednesday have finally live back again. And you can able to claim the tokens on 11:30 UTC in the morning. All right, so for those of you who have farmed Wormhole, congratulations once again. I think you all deserve this reward. And this one is definitely under farm. Okay, with less users, okay, with less users who are farming this, you are getting more rewards. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned. Stay tuned for the airdrop live link, because you can look at the comments. Okay, there are a lot of scams. There are a lot of fraud that is ongoing, phishing links like this. You don't want to click. Okay, so you have to be very, very careful. Okay, you can see the username mechanism is not even related with Wormhole. Okay, this is the official Wormhole crypto. Okay, so you don't want to associate with all these links. So you try best not to click. The best thing not to click, right? Just avoid it. Okay, so once again, guys, congratulations, and yeah, I'll see you on Wednesday's live feed, right? So moving on next. Okay, next one is again dimension stakers. Okay, so we have the Nebula Finance. Okay, there will most likely will be airdropping to dimension stakers. Okay, so what is Nebula is all about? Nebula is a native token of Nebula Finance, will be distributed to the community. Okay, it's a modular liquid staking Go app built on a dimension. Okay, dimension ecosystem offers flexibility for stakers through liquid staking, improve dimensions network security, and enhance capital efficiency for users and DeFi protocols. So you can see here anything to do with Go app, Go drop, it is definitely you'll be getting. Okay, definitely you'll be affiliated with Dimension. Because Dimension, the keyword here is Go app, Go drop app. So if the company or token company that is dealing with Go app, or so-called the keyword here modular, okay, then that's where you will be getting the airdrop. Okay, so very likely to be getting this. So yeah, so on and off right now, what to do now? Because at the moment there is no other information available yet, so you need to stay tuned. So I'll update you guys again on this airdrop. So yeah, congratulations once again for those dimension stickers. So I think dimension stickers are getting the momentum. The momentum is really hitting on the road right now. Okay, we'll be getting the first one, which is the NIM network, and then you can see, right, we are getting right now with the Nebula. Okay, there's so many there's coming in right now. Then we have energy source. Okay, one by one now is dropping. You can see the momentum is there. Okay, so this is a very simple game. All you need to do is just stick. Okay, stick your dimension. That's all. Okay, so you can see the domino effects here. All right. Okay. Then moving on next. Okay, so next one is also quite interesting. I think this coin hall, okay, will be airdropping to their Cosmos ecosystem. To those people who stake your Cosmos, KIA, or whichever tokens under the validator of coin hall. So I think you should be getting this airdrop, hall airdrop. So now I think you can able to check as well. Okay, hall drop. I'm not sure whether this is a mint coin or a proper or a DAO token, but you can see here the requirement here is that you need to swap between any two injected tokens. Okay, so yeah, this is a thing, new update. So this is a new update. So yeah, this is a thing. So you need to connect a wallet, and then you need to check whether are you eligible or not. That's the thing. So this is a coin hall. Coin hall is actually a DEX actually. Okay, they have tickers, they have bridge as well. So bridge between Cosmos chain via this page. So you can able to bridge as well. So many ways you can do, say so many. All these are Cosmos ecosystem. So likewise, coin hall is actually a DEX. Okay. So yeah, these are things to take note, and yeah. Okay. All right. So moving on next. Okay, so next one, it is really quite alarming. I think for those of you guys who are farming this airdrop called Venom. Okay, so right now it's been trending on Twitter, and I think many of the community members feel that they have been cheated or feel that they've been robbed. They or the company or the owner have been mischievous on the token distribution. Okay, so what's really happening here? Okay, with this community of Venom. Okay, so some members mentioning what here? Rug pull community after farming them for years with constantly changing parameters and deadlines. So, okay, this express their dissatisfaction. And then the worst part here is that the Venom will say the owner or the company, okay, they've been airdropping NFTs instead of their token. And the current NFTs right now, it is worth about $20. Okay, it is worth about $20. Okay, so yeah, and then if you scroll down some more, an NFT airdrop with vesting as well. So this is even more funny. It is even more weird for this type of companies to do this. Okay, so I'm not sure how this thing will be playing out because I think people have been farming. I think in order for you to earn the airdrop, you need to complete at least 22 NFT tasks. I think 22 tasks to win the NFT. Because if you lack one, then you are definitely disqualified and you won't earn any airdrop as well for Venom. Okay, so which I think this is a thing that really pisses people off. Okay, instead of airdropping the tokens, Venom tokens, they're airdropping NFTs. Okay, they're airdropping NFTs. Okay, to the community, which is a big turn off for everyone. Okay, has been farming for almost a year using testnet. Okay, and they're getting an NFT of $20. So yeah, I'm not really sure about this because a lot of hype regarding about Venom that they have claimed that they are being invested with a 1 billion valuation. Okay, they are 1 billion valuation. Okay, and then there are a lot of hypes, and then they are focusing on multi-level marketing here, which is also another red flag there. So I do not have much to comment because I do not have any involvement or affiliated with Venom. So just want to stay clear. Okay, and a lesson to be learned here. Okay, farming airdrops or testnet. That's where you want to check on the VCs, venture capitalists, whether are they really funding the tokens or not. Are they really putting that kind of amount, substantial amount, to make sure that your time is being worth when doing the testnet. Okay, so lesson learned there. Okay, last but not least, we can see the final one is grass. So grass, if you want to mine, you can mine. I think there have been ongoing campaign here with the 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝘁. So you can able to complete your 𝗧𝗶𝗺 here. And of course, grass, I think is absolutely free, right? It's not even a testnet, but you can able to download the extension, okay, for grass. Okay, that's why you're going to be earning the grass token, okay? So just leave your PC on, or if you're away, that's where you'll be making use of your bandwidth to turn into grass token, okay? So do make sure that you involve this airdrop because I think this is the one that you don't want to miss, okay? Literally free, okay? And I will share with you guys on the link and how you can able to participate by downloading the extension and then start using it because you need an invite code. Right? Don't forget 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝗁𝗧𝗶, very important. That's how companies will reward you for participating in all these tasks. All right. So yeah, I think that's all I have for this week, guys. And once again, thank you for your time. And I will see you again in the next live session. Take care and yeah, have a great week. I'll see you.